The model set contains 3 actions. One of them merely selects the skin based on the normal human skin tone, and the other 2 select the skin and then smooth it. Let's start with selection. The action is called Select Skin, and all you have to do is open the image containing human skin, and the action will select it, at least most of it. It is not tied strictly to how bright the skin is, so it will work on all the races unless the person's skin is very dark. That's because the darker the color, the less saturation, and if there is no saturation, there will be no selection. But I tried it on many images of many people and it mostly worked. The same, of course, is true about the garments and other items that are close to skin tone and color, be it hair or shoes. They will be selected too, so no magic. That's why you should watch it when you use the automatic skin smoothing actions. Let's start with the one that is called Smoothen Little. It does a little bit of smoothing, and you'd better use this action on low-resolution images as it works in a very subtle way. After selecting the skin, it applies some smoothing and covers it with grain so that the result won't look blurry. You might not even see it clearly in the video because of the quality loss due to compression, but it's there. I usually use this action on model images when there's a lot of skin in the frame, and I do it after resizing. The action applies the effect to the same layer, so if you want it on a separate layer, don't forget to make a copy. Let's move on to the strong smoothing action so that you can see clearly what happens. I made it to smooth skin on feet close-ups, but I know that some online stores like their models with plastic skin, so it could be of help. Just keep in mind that it does strong smoothing. It works best on images about 1000–2000 pixels in height, but it can be used on all images, it's just that the smoothing level will be different. I'll run the action and you can see the effect for yourself. It doesn't take care of blemishes, of course, so you should work a bit with the healing brush as well if you have to. If the shoes are about the same color as the feet, the action will affect them too. You can use the history brush on any areas affected to restore them to the original state. Don't forget that the smoothing actions are meant to be used in mass image productions. If you want more control over the process than that, you should consider buying advanced plugins. The actions are simple, and that's what makes them fast and easy to use.